This is the HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro, a toolkit which will help you get your electronic repairs done. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Let's unbox it and get started. There's a user guide, an anti-static wrist strap, and a USB-C cable to charge with. In the toolkit, there's a magnetic pad, and a bit guide. There are numerous bits and sizes to work with, including metal and plastic spudgers, pry picks, and a suction cup tool. The electric screwdriver also has a ring light to help you illuminate the area you're working with. One of the main features of this toolkit is that you can magnetize and demagnetize your bits. I'll show that later on in the video. I'll be using this toolkit on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 to remove the back cover and the battery. So to start off, I'll be applying heat to the back cover using either a hairdryer or a heat gun in order to loosen up the adhesive underneath, as well as the suction cup tool to help lift up and gain leverage to get the pry pick in between the back cover and the frame of the phone, and then I'll work my way around prying the back cover off. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 uses Phillips screws to mount the hardware, so I'll retrieve the Phillips screw bit from the toolkit. So before I start unscrewing the screws, I'm going to want to make sure the bit is magnetized, so when I unscrew the screws, I can easily remove them without worrying about them falling inside of the phone. Also, once I have the screws removed, I'll be placing them on this magnetic pad to keep them organized since there are different size screws. Now I'll be using the plastic pry pick to disconnect some cables. You want to try to avoid using metal when the battery cable is still connected. Now I'll be using this pointed plastic spudger to help remove the bottom plastic cover. The bottom flip battery has now been removed. Now in order to remove the subboard, there's an additional Phillips screw which is holding it down. It's as simple as that. Now we'll go ahead and reassemble it. At this point, we can apply new adhesive and reapply the back cover. So overall, this toolkit's great and will help you save time during your repairs. I like the fact you can magnetize the bits, which helps you when removing the screws. I'll place links for the HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.